back to the channel. My name's Shane, and today is not going to be a woodworking video. As most of you know, I am a truck driver for my full-time job, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up a set of doubles. These are the dollies, and we're going to hook this stuff up, and I will show you how. You should have a suspension dump on your truck. Go ahead and dump your suspension out the back so it lowers it down as low as it can go. That way you ain't gotta work so hard. All you're gonna do, you're gonna unhook the latch. Roll this thing onto it. Lock your lock back down. And if you don't have a glove without a thumb in it, you're not cool. So cut your thumb off. You're gonna back this dolly up right in line with your rear trailer. Just like so. Dump your suspension back out, because I raised it up when I hooked it up. Dump it back out. Make sure this is getting in there. Yep. Put on your gloves without a thumb. Unhook your latch right here. Always have you a piece of wood or a tire stop, because if you're on some good pavement or something, this thing will roll on you and you don't want that. But we're not lucky enough to have that. We got this dirt, so it's going to be hard to roll. That's all right. You're going to go ahead and hook up to your lead trailer. And if you're lucky, you won't have a high pin. A lot of guys like to jack these things up so high that you got to get out and roll your trailer down. I don't know if I told y'all or not, but put your gloves on if you're not cool, unless you got one without a thumb. Hook your air lines up. Now this is just hooking up your trailer. Now you still got to go through and you got to do your you still got to do your pre-trip. So make sure you do that. Just roll these. Roll this up. Do your pre-trip. So if you're a truck driver, you should already know how to back up a trailer. This is my guess anyway. So all you do here is you just line your two trailers up. Being your dolly straight, you just line your two trailers up. Even if it's not straight, you can still move it around, it'll roll. But you line the back of your trailer up with the dolly tires, so it's going to be hard to see them. As long as you can't hardly see your dolly tires, you're lined up. And then it's just a guess on how far to back up. Sometimes you'll hit this joker and it'll fly under the back trailer. Sometimes you got to get out and look. But right now we're just going to ease on back. Maybe I can see the tire move a little bit. I think that's enough. And you're gonna get out. You're gonna pray that it's not jammed up in the back of the bumper somewhere. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just want to show y'all that, my friends, can I see that? That, my friends, is a perfect backup. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. All right. Get your wood, pick it back up. Am I getting that? Yep. Throw your wheel up. Go ahead and hook your chain up. They just hooked this thing right here. There's a lock right here. Let's see if I can't get that. It's dark. Anyway, your chain's hooked to this bar right here. You have a lock right here. Make sure that lock is down. Sometimes you gotta beat it. Let me get on this side so y'all can see. Sometimes these locks are rusted. So you gotta beat it down. But make sure it's all locked up. Then all you're gonna do is get back in your truck and run it under the back one. Everybody has their own way of their own little routine of how they do it. You'll come up with one. Give yourself a little tug test. Pull your yellow air line, leave your trailers pushed back in or pushed in. That way you can go ahead and get all your air lines on and check for leaks. You're gonna have your blue side. Your blue side goes on the far side. Hook that one up. Your red side goes on this side. Hook up your power. Then you got your blue side goes on the left side, your red side goes on the right side. Hook up your power. Turn your valves on. We'll go to the blue first. Turn your blue valve on. Turn your red valve on. Not all of them have this. They're all different. But make sure you turn off all the air to your dolly so it fills the tanks up. And then I always do a test. Not a test, but a check. Make sure I got everything done, because you don't want to go down the road and this thing come off on you. Because they will. They will. Always look under here to make sure your pin is connected. Get under here to make sure it's locked, because you don't want this thing coming off going down the road. You'll be in bad shape. Wind your landing gear up. And then we're going to take a stroll to the back of the trailer. Now you still got to do your pre-trip on all this. This is just to hook up a set. You still got to check everything. Your tires, your lights, everything. This is just how to hook up a set of doubles. Let me see. You can come back here to you. Make sure you got your glove on without a thumb. Make sure you check. You can open this red valve. Make sure air is coming out the back. If it's not coming out the back, something ain't turned on. But that's pretty much it. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about how to hook them up, or if I missed anything, just ask me some questions. I don't mind answering them. Just be safe. Be safe with it. Make sure you check everything twice. Like I say, you don't want these things coming apart going down the road. I will see y'all next week. Take care.